Welcome to the math trap with another tricky math equation here. Let's solve this equation and let's see how this equation can trap you. So equation is 5 plus 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5. So if we solve this equation by solving the addition first, then 5 plus 5 comes to 10 multiplied by 5 plus 5 again comes to 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 to 100. Yeah. So this answer is not true here because most of the people are missing the multiplication operator. So 5 plus 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5. So there are two operators here, multiply and plus. So whenever you see the different priority operators like multiply and multiply and addition, so you have to follow the PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes first after the addition and subtraction. So you have to solve the multiplication first. After that, you can solve the plus operator. So 5 multiplied by 5 comes to 25. Now we have just plus operator. In this case, we will go from left to right. So left to right, 5 plus 25 comes to 30. Plus 5 is 35. Yes, our exact answer is 35. So stay tuned with me with more tricky math equation here. Let's the equation not trap you. You can trap the equation.